This is a jewel beetle, one of the most beautiful insects in the animal kingdom. With over 15,000 species, jewel beetles get their name because of the colorful and iridescent sheen on their backs. The sparkly colors come from nanostructures on their exoskeletons and scales that refract light at different wavelengths, which means the colors look different from different angles and under different light, making the beetles hard to spot. Stunning, right?
Well, yes, ma'am, it is.
But these aren't the only beetles with extraordinary characteristics. From beetles who drink fog to those who release hot, stinky poop that can burn human skin, here are our top 9 picks for the most bizarre beetles. At number 8 is the aptly named Violin beetle, which has an elongated head and a flat leaf-shaped body. They're mostly found in southeastern Asian rainforests and can secrete foul-smelling liquids to keep away potential predators. But that's probably the only thing to worry about, as they aren't dangerous to humans. At number 7, we have the Namib desert beetle, which quite obviously lives in the Namib desert in southwestern Africa. Because of the extremely dry climate, these insects have found a unique way to collect water. They fog bask, which involves water droplets from fog falling on their abdomen and rolling down their wings to trickle into their mouths. That's the life, isn't it? After decades of study, scientists are now close to mimicking this all-natural tech for water collection devices. The number 6 spot goes to the Cyphochilus beetle, found in Southeast Asia. This little bug is ultra-white in color, with many of them whiter than paper. Their dazzling appearance is created by scales all over their body made of randomly oriented filaments that reflect light. And now we come to the more dangerous ones. The 5th spot is claimed by the great diving beetle. Say hello to this carnivorous aquatic beetle that can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes on air stored in its body. These divers are quite the attackers. They hunt tadpoles, tiny invertebrates, and even small fish. They can also bite humans, but those bites are pretty harmless. A similar creature swims in at number 4, the water beetle. To go along with their diet of decaying plant material, they also hunt insects and snails. Certain members of their family, such as the giant water bug, have large front pincers. When disturbed, the beetle may bite a person, which can be very painful. 3rd place is earned by the Bombardier beetle, named after its bomb-like explosive defense mechanism. When cornered, it releases boiling hot and stinky liquid out of its rear end, which can irritate the eyes and respiratory system of predators. That's sizzling enough to burn human skin. Ouch. Our runner-up is the dung beetle. As the name suggests, this beetle will seek out animal manure to feed on. It is incredibly strong, with the ability to move a ball of dung more than 50 times its own weight. The top spot is claimed by the Hercules beetle, which truly lives up to its name. It's among the largest and strongest beetles in the world. Part of the rhinoceros beetle family, it can carry up to 850 times its mass. Despite its size, the Hercules beetle isn't dangerous to other animals and mostly feeds on dead wood or rotting fruit, though the males do bring out their horns to fight over the females. Talk about Herculean romance. To know more about this incredibly strong insect, watch our episode about how Hercules beetles sound like lawnmowers. From colorful exteriors to explosive poop and carnivorous appetites, these tiny bugs definitely have some bizarre characteristics. And that's what makes them crazy creatures.